Hey you guys, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So today's video is going to be an unboxing, and it's crazy because I just did an unboxing for the same brand, but that was like for a completely different thing. That was PR. This is a campaign. Like, I am in the campaign. Your girl, she's doing her thing. But as per the title, you already know this is a Dominican Curly unboxing. Now, my last unboxing, I like paired it with my package from Goddess Curls. It's the oldest right there, but I paired it with that because it was just two small packages. But this time I got a whole box. You see that? Cute little packaging. And yeah, it's from Dominican Curly, and like the strip is like a girl, you know, with a little flower in her hair. She's pretty. Dominican Curly. All hair is good hair, period. But you know, I'm going to open the box, and I've opened this box already, but I have not taken anything out of the box. So this is for real how it came. Whoop! Oh, look at this, y'all. It says my name on it. Like, it's personalized. It says Lauren. Yeah, Lauren, L-A-U-R-Y-N. I am literally going to keep this box. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but it's like my first personalized package. This is literally like the cutest package I've ever received because I've never gotten anything personalized like this. So I'm literally in love. The deadline for doing anything with this box is coming up, so your girl got to get to work. But yeah, let me go ahead and get into what came in it. So I got this card. So the back says, "Hey Curlies, Dominican Curly is a natural hair lifestyle brand and blog based on my belief that all hair is good hair. My passion is to help all women embrace their natural hair and fall in love with hair care. In my shop, you'll find handmade hair care products that contain only clean, non-toxic ingredients. Each product is for all hair types. Use them consistently for longer, stronger, and healthier hair. And love, XOXO Kanzi, CEO." I'm not going to even try her last name because I don't want to butcher it, but she's pretty. I said this in my last video. She's so pretty to me. But yeah, that's besides the point. And then in the front, it says handmade products, natural and non-toxic for all hair types. And this is that. It's like, I love her packaging in general. Like, I love her aesthetic on Instagram. So yeah, I'm just happy to have my own personalized package. And then also, this is not a sticker. I don't know what this is. It a sticker? This is a sticker. Okay, it's a sticker. After this, the first thing I see is a spray bottle, and it has their logo on it. And you know, it's a spray bottle. It's a spray bottle that you can lock and unlock so it won't waste. And yeah, spray bottle. And the reason they gave me this spray bottle is because I have this Calendula Hair Tea. And if you remember in my last unboxing, it was just like sample size. So this is like a full one. So yeah, Calendula Hair Tea. This hair tea can be used as a pre-poo, a rinse, or leave-in treatment. It contains organic calendula flowers, organic horsetail, organic moringa leaf, organic marshmallow leaf, organic ashwagandha root. But yeah. And then I told you I haven't even opened this yet. Like, this is my first time opening this package. And then this is a Ayurvedic multi-purpose hair oil. I already got one of these, so I have two now, and I'm like happy about that. The reviews I've seen, it's a good oil, so I'm actually going to use it on Saturday when I do a twist out. So I'm excited. I'm going to use this freaking hair tea for everything. I'm going to use it like when I'm conditioning my hair, when I'm styling it. So I'm going to let y'all know the tea on all this. But that's everything that came in this box. Nothing is left. I am keeping this box. I'm probably keeping the paper inside of it because it matches my name. Thank you so much, Kanzi, for, I don't know, you specifically chose me for this campaign. I don't even know if you would call it a campaign, but thank you, girl. The box with my personalized name on it. I don't know where I'm going to put this box in my room, but I'm keeping that. Yeah, that's it for this unboxing. I'm so sorry if it was like so scattered. I was excited to open it, to be honest, and show y'all this cute box. I can't wait to try the Calendula Hair Tea. Y'all will know. I will update y'all on that on Instagram first, but y'all will see it on here as well, so just stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's it for this video. So please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you've ever tried Dominican Curly. Share this video with a friend and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.